What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. Today I wanted to talk about some diet hacks while shredding. Okay, so shredding doesn't have to be such a bad thing. It's all about balance and keeping yourself in a caloric deficit. So a couple diet hacks is this: drinking 1 to 2 gallons of water per day can actually make you feel a lot more satiated. It'll make you feel a lot better. And a lot more energy, just overall health. A full gallon, so get these. This is like $1 at like a Walmart or something, but you can get these anywhere. But make sure you're drinking 1 gallon of water a day, and also drink about a whole glass of water with every meal that you have. That way it makes you feel like you're full, but in a sense you're just drinking water. All right. Diet hack number 2: carbonated soda. This is sugar-free soda, so I'm gonna show you guys the backs of this, but this is a flavor. It's called orange cream. Take a look at that. But orange cream soda. I'll show you guys the macros on this. All right, so this is pretty much sugar-free soda. All right, so orange cream, and the cool thing about this is that on the backs you can find these at anywhere. But 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 sodium, 0 carb, 0 sugar, 0 protein. Everything in the back is 0. So this is a go. So this is a brand called Clear American, and it's really good. So it's a naturally flavored sparkling water beverage with other natural flavors. These I have every single day. These also work with diet sodas as well. So you can buy a pack like this for $3 at the store. This is $3.22, and you get 12 cans. It's a pretty good deal, all right? So we got that out the way, right? So now we're gonna move on to sugar-free Jello. So I get all my stuff from Walmart. I don't know if you guys go to Walmart, but Walmart's pretty cheap. So this is sugar-free Jello, all right? I'm gonna show you guys the back of this too. So this is sugar-free Jello. On the fronts, you're gonna see this. Very, very important is you see how it says sugar-free. I need you guys to get that. Once it says sugar-free, you're okay. It's only 5 calories. They have different flavors from orange to green apple to red. I don't even know what color it is. But let's take a look on the backs, guys. All right, so on the back of here, it literally says 0 fat, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Everything except sodium. So it's pretty good. You could eat like 2 to 3 of these a day, and it won't affect it won't affect like anything, pretty much. So that's how I stay sane on the diet. I eat like 2 to 3 of these per day with a carbonated soda, but it's zeros. So that's number 3, is the sugar-free Jellos. All right. And then last but not least, that's right, baby, we got mustard. Mustard is actually really good for you. It has turmeric in it. It helps you stay satiated on the diet also as well. It has zeros on the backs of everything as well. So if you guys are wondering what you want to have with your chicken or with your diet or anything like that, these are the macros on the back. So every single piece of mustard, whether you get it from anywhere else, but it has to be pretty much blank mustard. It's like, see, classic yellow mustard, but every mustard has this. But look, 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 carb, and 0 protein, but sodium is 55, which is okay. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a bad sauce to get. So this is a bad sauce to get. Let me show you guys the backs of this. All right, so we're gonna compare mustard with a regular sauce just off the counter. Right? So this is like an organic mild barbecue sauce, but look on the backs of this, it's pretty bad. So when we take a look and compare that, look, there's 15 grams of carbs, there's 14 grams of sugar, and that's only with 2 tablespoons. 60 calories, and pretty much that's what you always want to stay below 10 grams of sugar. That's too much. This is gonna pretty much put you over your macros really fast, really easily, and which might hinder your weight loss. So you really got to look on the backs of stuff, nutrition labels and all that. So be aware and you will get self-care. Alright guys, I hope this video brought value to you guys, and I hope you guys learned something about sauces, about sugar-free sodas, about sugar-free Jello, about a gallon of water to 2 gallons of water a day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Nico Murillo. I'm a physique athlete, and I am trying to help you guys get on the way to cuts. Yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys.